We'll be converting from base 10 to other bases in this video. So we're going to use two examples, and from there we'll learn how the steps should be taken and what to do when we are asked different questions. So we're given this number. So we are asked to convert this number from base 10 to base 6. So what we'll simply do is do a continuous division. 564 divided by 6. If we punch that in our calculator, we're going to get 94. So it's going to have a 0 remainder. The next division is 94. 94 divided by 6. Punching that in our calculator, we get 15.667. So it's actually 15. To get the remainder, we multiply 0.667 by 6. So 0.667 multiplied by 6 will give us 4 point something. So we say remainder 4. So the next division we're going to do is 15 divided by 6. 15 divided by 6. Punching that in our calculator, 2.5. So we write 2 here. So remainder, to get the remainder, we'll say 0.5 multiplied by 6. So 0.5 multiplied by 6 should give us 3. So it's going to be remainder 3. So the next one is 2 divided by 6. If we punch 2 divided by 6, we should have 2 divided by 6 is 0.3333. So we actually know the main number is 0. To get the remainder, we say 0.333. This is actually the main number. 0.333 multiplied by 6, which is 2. So now in base 6, we have to name from the bottom upwards. So from the bottom of the remainder, we have 2, 3, 4, 0. So this number in base 10 is this number to the base 6. So let's convert 81 base 10 to a base 2 number. So we use the continuous division method. So say 81 divided by 2. So if we punch that in our calculator, we should have 40.5. So no, our whole number is 40, but the remainder should be 0.5 times 2, so which is 1. So the remainder is 1. So the next division is 40 divided by 2. 40 divided by 2 will give us 20. It should be remainder 0. So the next one is 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Remainder 0. So we do this kind of calculation where the remainder is not 0. We multiply the decimal point by the base in which we are converting to. So from here, since we got 40.5 and we are converting to base 2, we'll multiply 0.5 by 2 to get the remainder. So we'll continue. 10 divided by 2 will simply give us 5, remainder 0. So 5 divided by 2 will give us 2.5. So the main number is 2. For the remainder, we'll say 0.5 multiplied by 2. So 0.5 multiplied by 2 is 1. So the next number is 2 divided by 2. That should give us 1, remainder 0. So the next number should be 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 should give us 0.5. So the main number is 0. Then the remainder should be 0.5 multiplied by 2, which is 1. So once we get to the main number becoming 0, we'll stop the division. Then we'll count from the bottom upwards. So counting, we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1 to base 2. So we have successfully converted 81 from base 10 to this number in base 2 with the continuous division method. So you can test many other numbers, or you can go to the LFX JAMB questions, go to binary or go to number basis and search for questions where we have to convert from a base to base 2, a base 10 number to a base 2 number.